Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Hey, y'all, I got to make a chicken salad for a church function tomorrow. We're going to make some chicken salad sandwiches. And I don't know, maybe it's been a long time since I shared my chicken salad recipe with y'all. Y'all, it's so simple. Like we say in the food industry, KISS, K-I-S-S in the food industry, the food business, every chef knows. K-I-S-S, keep it simple, stupid. That's what I do with my chicken salad. All my salads. I keep it very simple. I don't add all this extravagant different stuff to it. And my chicken salad is no different. All I put in my chicken salad, y'all, I use roast chicken. I get it from Sam's or you can go to Costco. I got this from Sam's because, you can get that early. If you got the Plus membership, you can go at 8 o'clock in the morning. And I got a fly in my kitchen, y'all. Fly in my kitchen here. It's summertime. Gonna be a lot of flies around the kitchen here. And I got a solution for that this summer, y'all. I'm gonna try some things. But anyway, back to what I was saying. I use Sam's chicken, rotisserie chicken that they have in there. You can use Costco. They have the same thing. Theirs a little bit bigger. All I do is Sam's roasted chicken, chopped boiled eggs, onions. You can use celery. I don't like celery. Y'all already know. I do not like the taste of raw celery. It's a big turn off for me. I'll tolerate it cooked. If it's cooked really, really down, like in dressing or dumplings or something. But to eat raw celery and inside, it's a big turn off. So I don't put celery in mine. You can. And y'all know how I feel about HELLMAN'S real mayonnaise. And I use sweet relish. A little salt and pepper, maybe a little sugar to kind of balance off the saltiness of this. That's it, y'all. I do not play with chicken salad. I keep it very simple. That's the way my mama did her. You can also do this, add a little sweetness and tartness to it. You can put a little diced Granny Smith apples in there. Try that. Or McIntosh apples in there. Dice it up really, really small and put some apples in there. That'll take it to the next level too. But that's not really going outside of the box here. So anyway, what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna step off. I got my onions chopped up already. I'm gonna chop up these boiled eggs. I'm gonna chop up this chicken and see who's calling me. They know I'm doing a video trying to get YouTube famous. But get all this diced up, and we're gonna put this together and let it sit in the refrigerator 3 or 4 hours. Then we're gonna make sandwiches out of this. Very simple, very easy. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, simple, simple, simple chicken salad, y'all. Like I told you, I don't overdo it. I don't overthink it. Just make it simple and don't put all 20 different items in your chicken salad. It doesn't take all that, y'all. You're taking a classic and just ruining it with all this different stuff. So anyway, chopped onions, chopped eggs here. Put some my relish in here. I love a lot of relish. You can do you. And then of course the mayonnaise. Now I'm not gonna season this until I taste it. I'm not gonna put any salt and pepper in this until I know, because you know why? Because the chicken is already seasoned. Y'all say, putting a lot of mayonnaise. I know how much mayonnaise is going to take. So I know it's going to be a lot of mayonnaise for all this chicken. So we just kind of mix it in here. Start real slow at first. Then when it gets mixed in, we'll add more mayonnaise. But I do not like a dry chicken salad. Like I say, y'all, you definitely can add apples to this. Granny Smith apples or McIntosh or even Honey Crisp apples to this. Definitely need more mayonnaise, y'all. Definitely need more mayonnaise because you know that chicken's gonna soak up the mayonnaise. So some more HELLMA'S mayonnaise in here. Alrighty. Oh yeah, y'all can't go wrong with chicken salad, right? Can't go wrong with some chicken salad. This thing just don't want to act right, y'all. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Okay, now we're going to give it a little taste here. See what it needs here. I need how much salt and pepper. I know I'm going to put some salt and pepper. Like I need how much I'm going to need in here. Okay. Get my tablespoon here. With salt and pepper in here. I definitely don't want to over season it. Now I gotta make 40 sandwiches, y'all. So this definitely gonna be 40 half sandwiches. So 20 whole sandwiches cut in half, 40 halves. And that'll be enough. That's pretty much it. I don't need no more mayonnaise. No more relish. Let me try this again, y'all. I like the double dip here. Oh yeah. That's it. That's definitely it. And what I like to do, I like to let this set up by a couple of hours, kind of marry together the flavor. And we'll come back and get us a Ritz cracker. Or for Club cracker. And we'll see how it is. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Okay, we're going to do a little sampling here on my Ritz cracker. The Ritz cracker here. Put that on there. I'm telling y'all, this is go good with a lettuce wrap. Look at that. Make your little lettuce wrap. Put this in a lettuce, make a red lettuce wrap sandwich. I'm telling you. Ain't go wrong. Roasted chicken salad. A little crunch for the onion. Eggs. A little sweetness from the relish. You got the saltiness from the chicken and the cracker. It works so well together. Like I said, y'all, you can add celery to this, apples, but don't add 12 different items to it. It just ruins the whole concept of a salad. That's just my opinion. One more bite here. Wow, that's good and refreshing, y'all. It really is. So refreshing. Nice, cool chicken salad. And in the summertime, that's what I always have in my fridge. These couple times a month. Chicken salad. Go get your rotisserie chicken from Sam's or Costco. Cost you $5. Onions, celery you want, mayonnaise, relish, eggs. You can make a whole big salad. Feed your whole family pretty much on what, $5, $6. So yeah. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023. Just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.